able to see, there's one card that actually stuck itself to the rope. One card. Now, this is crazy, right? It could be any card, right? Think about it.
Okay.
Okay, go. What was the name of your card again?
It was Diamond. It was the Queen of Diamonds.
The Queen of Diamonds? Why don't you take this card away from the rope right now?
Take it out?
Take it out. Show it to me.
Oh my gosh. What? How? Why? I'm so confused. What? Oh! What the fuck?
3.
Oh my god.
Yo, what's up guys? I'm the Magic Savage. Do you want to learn how to get some of the craziest street magic reactions ever? Just like you see me get on my YouTube channel? Well, now's the chance guys, because I'm putting together a 12-week Magic Savage KickStarter course that's going to teach you guys how to do magic for 12 weeks. So this is the Magic Savage KickStarter course that I'm putting together guys to help you guys out. Let me explain to you guys how this course works. This course is divided into 2 hacks. The first hack is 6 weeks long. I'm going to teach you guys how to do magic for 6 weeks. I'm going to teach you guys how to approach random groups of strangers and how to get them to say yes to your magic and get them to be excited about your magic and to even get you the best reactions possible from these random strangers. It's going to help you get gigs and help your next video go viral guys. So yeah, this is very powerful stuff. For the second hack, I'm going to teach you guys how to talk to ladies using magic as an icebreaker. Let's be honest, most of you magicians or guys are probably socially awkward, you don't know how to talk to ladies, so this is the best course for you to take guys. I'm using magic as an icebreaker to teach you guys how to talk to ladies. So, using these techniques, you'll be able to win any group of ladies over using your magic. You'll be able to break the ice with the most attractive girl in the room because you're a magician. So yeah, these tools will be taught to you in this course. And lastly, as a bonus, I'm going to teach you guys how to get into nightclubs for free, how to get free drinks at the bar, using magic as a tool, as an ultimate weapon to get what you want. So yeah guys, learn magic today. Sign up for my Magic Savage KickStarter course. Leave your email down in the comment section. I will email you the syllabus. So yeah, leave your email down in that comment section. Do not forget, this is a powerful course guys. Not a lot of courses outside